Welcome back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. It's amazing to be in the kitchen giving you favorite recipe and drinks. Anyway, one thing. Today I'm gonna make you a nice, lovely, one of my, natural juice. I know Chef Ricardo now I'm gonna put a one juice, no one of them on the channel. So anyway guys, enjoy the recipe, subscribe it and leave your comments. We got a lot more ideas, tips and recipe coming your way. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. We have a like page, and also remember Instagram, Twitter, Facebook and the Google Plus 50% from my cookbook at the moment. Stay tuned, don't go anywhere. We're gonna show you how you can make yourself a healthy drink in your kitchen at home. Nice, welcome back guys. So we're gonna show you how you can make yourself a lovely drink at home. Chef Ricardo do some lovely healthy smoothie. First of all, I'm gonna put roughly a handful of spinach. Look at that, roughly about a handful or half a handful inside of my Ninja blender. Straight down inside of it, 1 finger of banana. This is this banana where I remove the skin and I freeze it. That's the best way you can make yourself a nice lovely smoothie at home, is this way. Next thing I'm gonna simple put a piece of a ginger for flavor. A little bit of ginger inside of it, just a piece. I remove the skin. This is some pineapple. I'm cutting up some pineapple to put inside of it. Nice one. And this is 2 slices of mango. And my favorite yellow melon. I always have yellow melon in my fridge. Cantaloupe or Julian melon, whatever you want to call it. And I'm gonna simply chop everything straight inside of it like this. The only thing it's shorter is some ice. I love my ice, but otherwise everything is good so far. But I feel like I might put a 2 pieces of ice in it. Get a 2 pieces of ice and put it also inside of it. Then we're not gonna use water, we're gonna use some orange juice. Wicked drinks. And a teaspoon of honey. Make sure you get the honey. This honey is no sugar in this one. This one is the real honey. Natural and really authentic honey may I use. It's really good. Just want to make sure once you seal it good, everything is fine. Lovely. So now we're gonna be blending this for probably about 5-6 minutes. Nice one. So I just finished blend it. Really nice. I got some more mango still left back, which I'm going to be using, but try to get this out of the way first. So first of all, mango. It's nice. Look at that, beautiful, really good smoothie guys. As I can see, artificial, nice, green, looking lovely. And I know you guys love this one, because look at, just by looking at it, you can tell you that this is a fantastic smoothie to drink for breakfast in the morning, lunchtime, dinner time, wherever you like to drink it. But just take a good look at, take a proper good look at this drink. This one is one of the best healthy drink in the world from Chef Ricardo, as a smoothie one, healthy one. So anyway, I'm happy it come out really nice, lovely. So enjoy the recipe and subscribe, and please leave your comments below. Thank you so much to tune in to Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. See you next time. Bye bye.